You've seen those mysterious numbers on every oil bottle: 5W-30, 10W-40, 0W-20. But what do they actually mean? Today, let's break down motor oil grades, how they work, why they matter, and how to choose the right one for your engine. What is a motor oil grade? A motor oil grade is a classification set by the Society of Automotive Engineers, or SAE. It tells you how the oil behaves at different temperatures, especially its viscosity, or thickness. Understanding the numbers. In 5W30, the 5W stands for the oil's viscosity in cold weather. The W means winter. The lower the number before the W, the better the oil flows in cold starts. So, 0W flows easier than 10W. The second number, 30 in this case, shows the oil's thickness at high engine temperatures. Higher numbers mean thicker oil under heat. Why it matters. Using the right oil grade ensures proper lubrication. In cold climates, thinner oil helps your engine start easier. In hotter environments or high-performance engines, a thicker oil can maintain protection. The wrong grade can lead to poor fuel efficiency, increased wear, or even engine damage. Common oil grades and uses. Here are a few common grades. 0W20, great for newer engines and cold climates. 5W30, a versatile grade used in many cars today. 10W40, thicker for older engines or hotter climates. Always check your owner's manual. It specifies the grade your engine was designed to run on. Oil isn't one size fits all. The right grade protects your engine, improves performance, and saves you money in the long run. The first number is for cold starts. Lower means easier flow in winter. The second number is for high temps. Higher means better protection when hot. Choose your oil grade based on your climate, engine type, and always follow your owner's manual. Until next time, keep it smooth and keep it smart under the hood.